Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on the Hickam Outdoor YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to catch fish on frogs. There's several different types of frogs that you can use. The first one is one of the most commonly used frogs, I think. It's this Zoom horny toad. You put that on just a normal J hook and just slow crank it back. Very effective. A lot of fish caught on this. A lot of fun when they hit it too. They have a lot of good blow ups. And you just sit there and reel and watch it, and they just smash. The next one that's pretty commonly used is this, not necessarily this brand, but I don't even know what you actually call that. It's just like they have the little uh, skirt type stuff for legs behind them, and you kind of just pop them. So honestly, a lot of people use them and like them, but I like the ones where you just slow retrieve them back. A lot better than this one, but there's a lot of people that catch a lot of fish on frogs just like this. Next one is just a different brand, kind of the same thing, but this top toad frog is a really, really, really good frog. It's one of my favorites. It's got really good action on top, almost like a buzz bait, but it's got a frog body, obviously. And yeah, just that slow retreat back gives it a really good look on top of the water, just like a frog. And they hammer it. They love them. But yeah, if you've never tried one of these, be sure to give it a try. Top Toad. They're really, really good brand. This is not an ad, by the way. Wish it was. If you want to hit me up, Top Toad, go ahead. There's just a couple options we're going to be trying today. If you guys like this, there's a lot of people that watch these videos that aren't subscribed. So if you could subscribe, you'll never miss a video like this in the future. And let's catch some fish on a frog. The water looks a little dirty. It's been raining. Chocolate milk. See, it's got a really good like buzzbait type action on top of the water. It's really nice. This top toad looks really good. You can cast it a long ways too because it's so heavy. Not like super heavy, but it's got enough weight too where you can fling it pretty good ways. Just like that. Just like that. Whacked it. Nothing better than catching them on frogs. My opinion. Even the little ones are fun. Little ones are fun because you still see them eat it on top of the water. But I really like this top toad. It's a good bait. Caught a lot of fish on it. And then that's how you fish it. That's how the hook. It lays like this. And the hook just goes. See, it comes with a custom hook. You don't have to use just a normal J hook. It already has a hook with two hooks on it. I feel like you hook up more because it's got a little more places for the fish to get caught. It's a good bait. Okay, next thing we're gonna give a go is these Zoom horny toads. White. That could be a good color today because the water's kind of off colored. Normally, white, black's really good too. If the water's like off colored like this, just looks like a silhouette on top. Okay, once you get your hook tied on, you take your horny toad, and this little slit in the back, that's where you want your hook to lay. So you're gonna go down about into the bend of the hook, and you want it to come out in the center of that slit, and then you just have it like this. Then you slide it up your hook to where it covers your knot. It's sticking out just a bit, and then you pinch, and that's the way it should look. And then this horny toad is also just a slow retreat back. This is the only frog you have to walk the dog. I always wonder if there would be any fish in here. Right there, baby. Oh yeah. Frog on the horny toad. Just got back in the water. Okay guys, the winner for me, top toad. That's the best frog on the market in my opinion. I've thought it for a while. Just doubles down on what I think the best frog on the market is, and that's top toad 100%. Comes with a double J hook, custom fit for this particular lure. And it's just one of my favorites. Has great action on top of the water. It's a slow retrieve, but it just has good motion, similar to a buzzbait. More action than the horny toad. Horny toad has the same action, but this top toad is just a little bit better in my opinion. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like down below. Comment if you love frog fishing as much as I do. It's one of my favorite things to do in any type of fishing. Just topwater is my favorite, but frog, I just like the idea of throwing a frog out there, slow retrieve back, that buzzbait type look, but it's in the form of a frog, and just love it. And also, be sure you guys are subscribed. 99% of the people who watch these videos are not subscribed to our channel. So you're missing out on a lot of tips and tricks and other fishing videos and stuff that we do. If you're not subscribed, how are you going to come back if you're not subscribed? So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos in the future. And thank you guys for watching.